Product review of MRI scanners. As a medical diagnostic tool, MRI machines have revolutionized the way doctors diagnose and treat a wide range of conditions. With their ability to create detailed images of the inside of the body, MRI machines have become an essential tool for doctors and medical professionals around the world. However, not all MRI machines are created equal, and it is important to carefully evaluate the quality and performance of any machine before making a purchase. When considering an MRI machine, there are several key factors to consider. One of the most important is image quality. The quality of the images produced by an MRI machine can have a significant impact on the accuracy of diagnoses and the success of treatments. High-quality images allow doctors to see details that might otherwise be missed, while low-quality images can make it difficult to detect subtle changes in the body. Another important factor to consider when evaluating an MRI machine is its ease of use. Medical professionals are often working under tight schedules, and they need equipment that is easy to operate and reliable. A machine that is difficult to use or prone to technical issues can slow down the diagnostic process and lead to delays in treatment. In addition to image quality and ease of use, it is also important to consider the cost of an MRI machine. These machines can be quite expensive, and it is important to carefully evaluate the cost-benefit ratio of any machine before making a purchase. Factors such as maintenance costs, energy consumption, and the need for specialized technicians should all be taken into account when evaluating the overall cost of an MRI machine. When evaluating the quality of an MRI machine, there are several key metrics that can be used. These metrics include signal-to-noise ratio, spatial resolution, and contrast resolution. Each of these metrics provides important information about the performance of an MRI machine. And they can be used to compare different machines and identify the best option for a particular medical setting. Signal-to-noise ratio is a measure of the strength of the signal produced by the MRI machine compared to the background noise. A high signal-to-noise ratio indicates that the machine is producing strong, clear images with minimal interference from noise. Spatial resolution refers to the level of detail that can be captured by the machine, while contrast resolution refers to the ability of the machine to distinguish between different types of tissue. In addition to these technical metrics, it is also important to consider the overall design and functionality of an MRI machine. Features such as patient comfort, accessibility, and the ability to accommodate a wide range of patient sizes and shapes can all have a significant impact on the overall effectiveness of an MRI machine. Ultimately, the evaluation of an MRI machine is a complex process that requires careful consideration of a wide range of factors. By carefully evaluating the quality, performance, and cost-effectiveness of different machines, medical professionals can choose the best option for their particular needs and provide the highest level of care to their patients. One important consideration when evaluating an MRI machine is its compatibility with other medical equipment and software. Many medical facilities use a variety of different devices and software programs to diagnose and treat patients. And it is important to ensure that an MRI machine can integrate with these other systems seamlessly. This can help to streamline the diagnostic process and improve the overall quality of care provided to patients. Another factor to consider when evaluating